Learn how to make spoken text invisible in Keynote presentations. Type a message that you would like to play as an audio file. Save the file as spoken text. With the text highlighted, right-click on the selected text to access the menu options. Select Services at the bottom of the first menu. This will reveal a second flyout menu where you will select Add to iTunes as a spoken track. When you select this, an options window will appear. Options for saving the audio track. Add a title for the file, then select the Continue button to finalize saving the file. A tone will play indicating the file has been saved in iTunes. By default, it will save your audio file in the Music folder of the iTunes application program, in Recently Added and in Spoken Text. Locating saved audio tracks in iTunes. Open iTunes. Select the Library module. In the upper left corner, choose Music and select Recently Added from the list of options. Files will appear on the upper right side of the window. You can drag and drop a file onto the Keynote slide. You can select and click on the audio files icon to preview the file. Now you can either discard the actual text by deleting it, or you can make it invisible. It is best to keep the original text for possible editing in the future. With the text box selected, go to the Format and Style menu bar in the upper right corner of the Keynote window. Click on Format, then on Style. Drop all the way down to Opacity and set it to 0. With the opacity slider set to 0, your text will no longer be visible. It can be placed anywhere on the slide and on any layer. We have included a link below to a video with a comprehensive collection of information on saving text-to-speech files in Keynote. It includes solutions to problems you may encounter during the conversion and saving of audio files. Thank you for watching. If there are other Mac system or application software issues that you would like to see presented, please let us know in the comments.